Okay, when you're in an IRS audit, they are watching your body language, right? 70% of communication is nonverbal. It's how you move, the expressions on your face, whether a bead of sweat goes down the side of your face, whether something's twitching as you're talking to them. They're picking up on all of this. But here's the behavior that they typically associate with fraud. If you make a bunch of distributions to false partners out of a partnership, okay, you're picking up 100% of the income, but you're sending 40% of it to a person who really doesn't exist to take a 40% haircut on your taxes. That's fraud, not hard to prove. If you make a false statement regarding any material fact during an examination, that's fraud. Matter of fact, that's a separately chargeable crime. You cannot lie to a federal agent. That's a felony in and of itself. If you attempt to hinder or obstruct an investigation, all right, you just flat out fail to answer questions, all right? You repeatedly cancel appointments or reschedule appointments. You refuse to provide records. Worse yet, you threaten potential witnesses. You hassle the examiner, or if you, worse yet, assault the examiner. Oh, you got problems. If they can prove you failed to follow the advice of an accountant or a return preparer regarding your original return, you got a problem. Matter of fact, that's one reason you don't want to take your original preparer with you and do an audit. If they can prove that your knowledge of taxes and business practices doesn't line up with what you did on your return, right? There's numerous questionable items on your return, but yet you seem to be a reasonable business person. That's a badge of fraud. If you destruct books and records, especially after an examination has already started, that's fraud.